Hi, Jeff with Fusion Electric here on site in Prairie Village. What we have here today is a storm damage repair. Customer has lost a tree limb, which took out the overhead power line. KCPL has been out and made some temporary provisions to get the power back on. As you can see here, the meter box has been damaged. We have some scorching here, so this box will need to be replaced. We'll also need to install a new service mast. We should be able to repurpose this conduit you see here as the service mast. We will need to install a new meter hub, which is this fitting here that connects the mast to the meter box. We'll also need to install a new point of attachment, which is this porcelain fitting here, and a new weatherhead, which is this fitting right here. In addition to that, we will install an aircraft cable and guy wire the service mast back to the roof. That will help add some additional support and hopefully prevent something like this from happening again. Definitely a good idea in the fall season to keep your trees trimmed up. That should help get you through the upcoming winter storm season and hopefully carry you through to the spring storm season, so something like this does not happen to you. You guys probably think, based on my last couple of videos, that all we do is service upgrades or service repairs, but that is not the case. We do all types of electrical services, from your simple switch, outlet, or fixture replacement to more complicated troubleshooting and diagnostic repairs, to remodels, basement finishes, room additions. One-stop, full-service electrical contractor in Kansas City. Jeff with Fusion Electric. Thanks for checking out my video.